Okay, so welcome. Today what we're going to do is give lovely Henry here a new Hoover bag. Now, things I like to have when we're doing this are obviously a new Hoover bag and also a plastic bag. Now, whilst yes, this will go directly in the bin, I do like to be able to hold it. So I always bring a carrier bag. Care of Co-op, this one. Not that it matters. Now, obviously, you can go to, I'm sure, the Henry website to get these. I believe I got these off Amazon. They came next day. And I have never had an issue with them. They are definitely, as you can see, the same brand. Just there and there. So first up, what we're going to do is we're going to unclip the top. So on the side, on both sides, there are these little clips here. They feel slightly rubbery as well, so you know what you're looking for. And all you do is you just pop 3 fingers underneath and pull, and they pop out. And as you can see, it's then slightly raised. And then exactly the thing on this side. So just here, and pull, and pop, off it goes. And then you just lift off this top unit. So as you can see, 2 separate units now. And then there's just this handy filter to keep all the suction in there. Mine was a little bit dirty, but as you can see, very full, very grim. Okay, so this is when we get our trusty carrier bag. Sorry for the rustling. So I'll just get that ready and open. So all you do is you literally just pull like so. It is easier with 2 hands, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to use the one, and just be really careful and mindful that obviously all the dust is in there, so do just be quite gentle. Keep this bit upright, don't let too much air get into it at this stage, because otherwise it will all just pop out when you do pop it on the floor. And there we are, more rustling, apologies. And there we have it, old Hoover bag that can just stay there. And then we've got this, the other thing that I didn't mention, trusty antibacterial wipe. I am using Dettol, other brands are of course available, although it looks like we're running out on the list. So we'll just give this a little bit of just a quick wipe out while we're here. Make sure we're getting all the bits and bobs. And again, this will just help maintain a nice clean atmosphere for when you turn Henry, Henrietta, James, obviously another reason to have the handy bag available. So, and then you go into your box, out it comes. Now when you do this bit, just make sure that, as you can see here, this bottom edge is with that bottom edge, okay? So it does say this way up in many different languages, so you just make sure it is that way up, like so, holding onto this little plug here, and you just place it carefully all the way over, like so. Just pull it off again so you can see there is this little notch, just getting in the way, just here, so you just need to make sure that it pops over that notch like that. There you go. Just make sure it's all the corners are out, so it's got the best possible chance. And then it is simply just that little bit back in the top, and then the whole unit on. Now obviously if you're using a Henrietta, it will be Henrietta at the front, but here we go, Henry to the nose, make sure that's all there, and then you simply clip it back into place like so. And number 2 like so, and there you have it, freshly changed and ready to go. Now, something I have just noticed whilst in fact doing this video, again some more rustling, so apologies, lovely and full, but I believe that this just pops inside there. And then if you don't have a bag with you, you've got that simple clip in place, and then you can just carry it by this straight to your bin. So yes, there we have it. So all clean. So all you need are your wipes, your new Hoover bags. I'll leave a link to these in the description below. As I said, they are the correct ones, but I would definitely recommend those. There's 10 in a box as well, so super good value when I got them. Love a bargain. And there we are, little Henry, all packed and ready to go for next time. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. Any questions, do ask in the comments below. If it has been of use, please do like, and hopefully we'll see you for the next one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.